Hey, the average Joe here. I keep getting the question about, hey, can the software be used for design build? And yes, more so even can be used for design build projects. So here we go. A little PowerPoint here to kind of go over and show you some of that. HVAC solution software, air hydronic steam, import loads, Wizard, ASHRAE 62. We complete all calculations. We assign select equipment, create DXS, and retrieve product documents, all integrated, as you can see, in one puzzle or one tool. What used to take days and weeks is now minutes and hours. So I wanted to just share this project with you today on this design build, a little bit summary about what the project has here. Uh, there were two existing steam boilers in a hospital, and they wanted three in their central plant. They had hired a mechanical engineer, excuse me, contractor to complete the work. And actually, I did the project schematic layouts using HVC Solution and did them about 6 or 7 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. And the owner just loved them in color. So we'll kind of look at the next pages here, the legend, boiler room demolition, and some of the details here. Go through and look at those. There's the legend. Here is the floor plan layout. Now, back when I did this, we didn't import floor plans. Now you can actually import the floor plan PDF and kind of show that. I have it highlighted here in red. The two boilers, heat exchangers. You'll see the demolition keynotes here. Remove existing boilers, remove the stacks, remove gas piping, and so forth. That was the demo plan. Then I showed a new steam schematic. These heat exchangers obviously have little loads in them, and there's some existing load there. All the piping sized according to the loads. You'll see heat exchangers. There's not a lot of detail here, so we'll look at that next. There's the steam boiler detail, the heat exchangers, control valves, unions, miscellaneous strainers, unions, things like that, valves, control valves. Then the parallel PRVs, the feed water pump, details of that, and then troughs, separators, and whatnot. So then I threw in one schedule for you to look here, all the Spire Sarco troughs that were all mixed selected, and then the bill of materials. You can see summary of the type of boilers, capacities, troughs, even down to the fittings and unions and piping associated with the project. So basically, I spent a day to travel this site and then do that little demolition plan. And I spent another day to assemble that little schematic you saw, the related steam diagram with the detail sheets. My fee was just over $20,000, so not bad for a couple days worth of work. So this kind of highlights the workflow that you could use. Now, I didn't have a large scale drawings. Everything was 8.5 by 11. Let's just kind of go here and look at that now on the project here. Here is the project, and I can send this file to you. There's the demo plan, 8.5 by 11 drawing, all in color. Here's the scheme schematic with the related detail sheets. Now, all these detail sheets, once again, let's go to File, Open Example. We have detail sheets as well as parts, and you can open those up, and then there are detail sheets that I actually pulled from, modified them a little bit maybe to add a few things that the particular owner wanted. And then as well as we'll go to open example. And we also have the detail under parts. We'll go to the steam parts. I'm just throwing a humidifier so you can see some things there. There's a humidifier steam part. That could be obviously copied, pasted, and then put into that drawing as well if I want to do that here over here to the right. So very quickly and easily I was able to get this project pulled together, get it to the contractor. The contractor could go to the site, see how to get the boilers out, get the new ones in. I could see the space allotted there. We didn't have to do drawings, obviously, in AutoCAD or in Revit. Now, if that's needed, part of that PowerPoint, let me just switch back to that. The last page here, the schematic is a great tool for showing here's 4 boilers in the schematic, and then my guy put 4 boilers there in the Revit drawing. There's 2 cooling towers, 2 cooling towers. So you can use the schematic model to help the Revit guy, or if it's you, know how to connect things in the proper order. Uh, anyway, hope this has been helpful to help you on your projects, to move them in and out your office more swiftly. Bottom line, making more money, being more profitable in every project. Hey, thanks for watching.